Sebastian. I'm Bastian's cousin of Yara. And this is my sister, Dara. Now let's take you a tour of our house here. Okay, come on. This is our nice bedroom. And here's our grandpa. And here's our dog. And here's our pet. Hook. Dog. And see, here's our pets. And this is our dolls we got. And this is our bathroom. Let's take you to the next one. Is our dining room. You see, we have a big table. And this is our water dispenser. I got the stuffy. And this is our lemon juice. And this is our tray. And a rice cooker and some cups. And some juice that we have in this box. And right here is my grandma's. It's my grandma's sewing machine. See, look, it's a sewing machine. It's just been hidden. See? No, do not do that. Let's go on to the next one. And this is our second bathroom. Oops, wrong light. Oops, wrong light. This is our second bathroom. Isn't that turn on? And now, this is my dad's room. This is my dad's room. My dad is at Cebu because he has a lot of work. You see, he loves basketball. Let's move on to the next one. You can see the living room. And here's the top second floor. And here's my cousin's room. Well, the light doesn't work at all, so we have to fix it. Now let's go outside. And see our garden. First, sign there. Go outside and check out our garden. Come on. Come on, let's go. And back there is the garden. Don't go there, it's spooky. Let's go back inside. You can see this is our chair. And look at we also have a second dog named Nido. And this is it. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you like this show. Bye bye.